And yes, everybody, Hearthstone is available on the Android operating system, but as of this recording, it is not available on the phone officially, on a smartphone. It is only available on tablets. And this morning, I'm recording this on 12/16/2014. It was only available in, I think, Canada and Australia, but I think now it's available everywhere in the Play Store in the US for tablets only. But of course, I don't have an Android tablet. I have an Android phone. And I was really interested in getting Hearthstone on my phone, so I googled really quickly to see if there's any hacks or any workarounds to get to it, and I was able to find some. And I went through 2 of the wrong ways to do it, or 3 of the wrong ways to do it, and they all failed. Or the first 3 failed while the last one worked. So I'm going to share my experience, and hopefully you can get this working on your phone. This will be mostly geared towards someone that has a Note 4. You can see how I am actually using the game, and it runs really smooth on a Note 4. And the best part of it is that you don't have to root your phone. This is Ryan from Active Tech Review, and I'm going to show you how to do this on your Note 4. I will also leave some links in the description for the resources I use. Typically all of them are Reddit links, and you may have read through some of those, and you may need to go through them if you don't have a Note 4 or running into some problems that I'm not able to solve for you. So keep in mind that this is an active channel, really focused on trying to get people in shape, or those that like to work out. And the reason why I'm putting this on my channel is that I hate doing cardio, and this is a really great way to kill some time. If I need to spend 45 minutes on the treadmill, I want to be able to do it doing something interesting, because music can only go so far. So I'm going to go ahead and use Hearthstone as my way of staying active while doing cardio. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and uninstall Hearthstone. That way I can start from scratch and show you step by step on how to exactly do this correctly. Alright, so now that we have that uninstalled, we're going to go ahead and go to the files that I downloaded. If you don't know where the files are, you don't have the resources, there'll be links in the description for the files that I used. Keep in mind that if you don't have a Note 4 from Verizon, it may not quite work for you like it did for me. So keep that in mind when downloading these. So click on My Files on the Note 4, and this is where I downloaded it. And you can see how it ends with a 705. 738705. That's the APK file that I use. You have to make sure that you have to give security permissions to install applications from unknown sources, and you just click OK. I always do it for allow for this installation only. That way it always reminds me that I'm getting sort of an unofficial file. Alright, as soon as it finishes installing, you're going to have to go to the next step, which is to get to the .obb files. Go to My Files, find the files that you downloaded from the links I provided, and then you're going to move them into the device storage of your phone. Now you got to click on the main directory, go to Android, and then after going into Android, you're going to go to OBB, and then you're going to go to .com.blizzard.wtcg.hearthstone. One thing to keep in mind is that if you copy them to the SD card, the same respective directory in the SD card, it will not work. That was what the first instructions I received, and what ended up happening is I got a bunch of errors that would not allow me to play the game. So the files have been finished moving, they've been moved, and let's go ahead and launch Hearthstone. And this is what you should get. You'll get a loading screen like this, and it'll say, you know, light the crates, unpacking the crates, and it will begin to load, and you should be good to go. The 3 problems I ran into when installing Hearthstone on my phone was, number 1, I would get a can't connect, like something about not being able to connect to the Play Store, or this version is not working with your phone. The second one is this one here, where if I were to press sign in, it would crash. It will just crash. But I got a good version, so it's going to work just fine. So this is usually another common area where it will fail. And then the third and final one is closed, it'll say, and then it'll say, sorry, Hearthstone currently only runs on Android tablets 6 inches or larger. And that's the third one I ran into. I ran into all of them before finding this solution. So luckily, hopefully, I was able to save you some time and really walk the steps out for you. So if this video helped you, please click like, that thumbs up button. It helps me out a lot, helps me build my channel that I'm starting here. Also, if you can share this with a friend, family member that's into Hearthstone that wants to get this on their phone before release date, and leave a comment below if you run into any problems. I'll see if I can provide you with more information. Make sure you check the links in the description because I'll probably update those if people have asked those questions already. But again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber already, and stay tuned for more cool stuff with the Note 4 and stuff with the things that I make on this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.